I'm going climbing today. I love climbing. I love climbing because it's fun. Some of the walls are very high. I don't get scared. It's very high up here. Mom and Dad are watching down below. I did that!
Oh!
Now for my favorite, the ice wall. The ice pool is very hard. You have to take these pigs and put them in the hole.
No! No!
I fell down. I'm gonna try again. I believe I can do it.
Oh, I did it! I did it!
I love climbing. Let me see if I can do this one.
Here I go!
I tried really hard. I did it.
No, I'm really tired. I'm done.
Time to go home.
Oh, good job.
Good. Bye.